All right, so you have a drain stopper like this that goes up and down. But if yours don't screw off at the top, I turn it. If you can't do that, then go under the sink. So for mine, only thing I have to do is, in order to remove the top of the drain stopper, is, for this one, is just grab this. This is like a little clamp. Push in, clamp on both sides. Grab it and pull it out. There you go. All right, so I grabbed it and I pulled it out. After I pull it out, now I can take the stopper off. All right, so stopper, and pull it up now. There we go. You know, clogging up the drain. If I go down into the drain, that's what that looks like. Like it probably was before. Before you even think about running water while you have the stopper removed, go back under the sink and push back in that plug that we just unplugged. Because if you don't do that, as soon as you run that water down that sink, it's gonna come out of that hole that we removed the plug from. I did it, so I know what I'm talking about. Get you some gloves dealing with this, for sure. Wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. Wipe it down. Down. That's what it look like now. It's ready.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that bell notification.
So as you see, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. It's ready, it's ready. Put it down in there. This piece right here is what's gonna stick through that hole that's at the bottom of the stopper. So you just gotta make sure that that's in there and it attaches to it. And once we do that, we'll be good. And there you go. You're good. And that's it. That's how you remove the stopper. Just clean the stopper in the top of the drain, as well as putting the stopper back on. If you got value out of this video, definitely check out the next video.